Guys, good morning. Happy Memorial Day. Yo, 2 bass on the flats, man. 2 casts, well, 3 casts, lost one. I charged it, stopped the fly, and then I lost him, and learned my lesson quick, and I hooked the next 2. Seen about 8 fish already. It's just absolutely insane. I'm up on the flats. I got the start of the outgoing. I'm working this one flat here. I've seen about 6 fish, and I've seen about 4 on that one. All right, man, keep you posted. Hopefully I got these strikes. And hey guys, ORVIS 6-weight. This is it. Look at old school rod, old school gold reel. Intermediate line, 20-pound test. And this is my magic fly. Lots of flash. You need the flash, guys. Look, flash. They jump on it. Look at all that flash. All right, keep you posted. Thanks, guys. Oh yeah, baby, I missed the strike, but I seen 5 fish. None commit. This guy committed. I had a nice long cast. Oh, beautiful fish here. See him coming up in the water. Let's see if you can see him. There he goes. Oh yeah, baby. Awesome fishing, man. Look at this. Right on top. You can see him right there. There it comes. Oh, beautiful. Awesome. Yeah, the big guy. Yes. Oh, it was beautiful. Came 12 o'clock straight for me. Put the fly. Good shoulders. Yeah. I can't. Keep it right there. Alright guys, can you see him in the water? There he comes. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Too cool for school. I wish I got another strike, but nice big girl. Woo! Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Look at that guy. Look at this good fella. Oh, look at the beautiful water. Man, right back in my house. Monster. Oh, what a monster, man. What a monster. Let's see if we can get him right there. Oh, he's hooked so nice. Look at this girl. Yeah, baby. Yep. Guys, hooked up, man. Number 5. Check this girl out. Woo-hoo-hoo! On the flats. Unbelievable day. 6 fish. Look at the size of this girl. What a beauty.
absolutely awesome. Look at this spot.